Right, so over Christmas, we're with the family and we're playing this box, and it was like an escape room advent kind of thing. And one part they had this like elastic band over it, and you'd hit it, and it would make sound. And I thought, how the fuck's that making sound? But I thought that's cool. What would happen if I take them elastic bands and put it on one of these? Because this makes sound. What would happen if, say, I switched the strings with elastic bands? Today, we are going to be answering that. But first, we need to actually go buy some elastic bands, because who the fuck has them in their house? Won't be long. So yeah, you can see I've done it. This is as close as it will get to being in tune. I don't know how well it's actually getting picked up. Yeah, that'll do. Let me put my mic on my knee. Yeah, let's play some bar chords on it, because why the fuck not? That's better. Where the fuck am I? Hey. You're not subscribed. You haven't clicked that button down there. Trust me, I'm no scientist. Okay, maybe I am. But trust me, if you click that button right now, you'll feel good. And I'll gain a sub. And the day I hit 10,000, let's make it 7,500. One of you is getting a free fucking guitar. So why don't you click it right now? Right, back to the scheduled video, and I'll see you in a bit. I feel like it's working. If you were schizo. At least it's colourful. It looks pretty gay in a good way. Like, look at, I purposely made it. Oh, that might help. Purposely made it so every string was a different colour. But yeah. Yeah, it looks alright. If you can not tell. Sounds great. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck to do with this now anymore. I need to go buy new strings for this. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you have, like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, this video's been a bit of a disappointment for me. I was hoping for something cool, but this is shit. Yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.